I lack free time. I lack motivation. I lack energy and power to continue to learn Russian language. I know that you think so if you only start to learn Russian. I know about it. Why? Because when I started to learn English, I thought the same, like you. I know about it. Why? How we can overcome these difficulties? How we can try to continue learn this difficult language in the world like Russian? How I, for example, how I continue to learn English language, where I take motivation, power and energy to continue learn English. I know that you think that I lack free time. I have family, I work, I study in the university. I don't know, I lack free time because I have reasons. This situation. I lack free time because I need to work, I need to study, and blah 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 blah. Stop. It's I don't know how this word translates into English, but it's wrong. Think so. I will give you advice from me. One of the method, one of the way how you can take motivation for your education to continue learn Russian language. Just compare yourself 1 year ago and today. How you spoke Russian 1 year ago and today. If you have any results, any good results, like this fact will give you motivation. As for me, I often try myself 1 year ago, 2 years ago, and today. How I spoke English 1 year ago and how I speak English now, today. As for me, this fact, when I analyze my education, give me motivation and power and energy to go on learning English. The same situation with you. Try to compare yourself 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 7 years ago, if you learn Russian 7 years ago. Just compare. Why this fact won't give you motivation for your education? I don't know why. Because I'm sure that this fact, if you have a good result in your education, this fact will give you motivation and energy. I think that I speak Russian very bad. I didn't achieve some good results in my education, but when I sometimes hear like in other people from USA, Canada, European countries, I mean native English speaker, try to speak Russian, and I listen to him, I listen to her, I listen to them, like those people speak Russian. I think, are you crazy? You speak Russian very well, sorry. You speak Russian very well, because just try to remember how you spoke Russian before, 1 year ago, 2 years ago. Why you can't take motivation from this thing? I mean, comparing yourself. Stop to worry. Stop to disappointed and upset about your education. If you think that oh my god, I don't have enough level in my education, I can't speak Russian, I can't understand what he told me, how to translate this word, this sentence, this phrase, oh my god, it's very difficult, and stop. Oh my god, don't worry. I repeat one more time. Try to compare yourself 1 year ago, 2 years ago, and today, how you spoke Russian before and how you speak Russian right now. If you have good results in your education, this fact will give you motivation for your education. This fact will give you motivation to continue learn Russian. Really, it's better if you will stop to go on learning Russian if you think right now that you don't have enough Russian level if you can't speak Russian very well and so on. Really, it'll be better if you will stop? No, because if you will make different steps, even if will be short and tiny step in your education, it'll be better than if you won't make any steps in your education. I hope you understand me, because it's very difficult for me to explain to you this issue. Even if you will make a short step in your education, it's better if you won't make any steps in your education. 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day for your education, for your Russian, will be very good for your practice, to improve your skills in Russian. 1 minute a day, even 1 minute a day, if you will devote 1 minute a day for your education, it's better if you want do something for your education, understand? Therefore, I know that you think that I don't have free time, I lack motivation, energy, power. I know that it's difficult to overcome these difficulties. I know about it because I faced with these difficulties 4 years ago, 3 years ago, when I started to learn English. I know about it, and I even don't have one most and main solution to give you to overcome these difficulties. Oh my god, it's very difficult to explain to you this issue, sorry. But I hope you understand me what I wanted to tell you in this video. I recorded this video without any preparation. I don't know, right now I learn English, and I think, oh, I can record video about it, because probably you have the same difficulties like me if you only start to learn Russian when I started to learn English. Therefore, you know that on my channel I try to help you to improve your skills in Russian. I try to give you motivation, go on learning Russian, because it's very important. We all people, we need to help with each other with the different difficulties. Therefore, if you liked my channel, please support me, write and comment, advise my channel for other people. It's very motivate me to record new videos about Russian language, about me, about family. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.